everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, today I'll be preparing a banana flower. This right here is what I've come to pick. So this is it. Let's go and start cooking. So when we are preparing banana flowers, just open your banana flower. This is what we are looking for. These are the ones we eat, so they are the ones we want. So you just open the whole flower and you just keep on removing the things. Right now we're on step 2. Step 2 requires a lot of patience because you have to pick one by one. So if you can't be patient, just do away with eating banana flowers. Just pick one thing like this, open it, and you pull. Then you take this one away. This is what we want. You just open and you remove this one too. So that's what we eat. We are finally done with cleaning up our banana flower. This is what we want. So this is the part you cook. So in our boiling water, I'll go ahead and put the banana flower for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, I'll go ahead and sieve my things. In our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add cooking oil. Then in the cooking oil, I'll add onions. Then I'll go ahead and add tomatoes and green chili. I've put 1 green chili. I'm adding only tomatoes and chili because I want it to act as a side dish. But when I'm using it as a main sauce, I add many other vegetables. Then I'll add in our salt. Now that the tomatoes are ready, I'll go ahead and add in our banana flower. If you have garlic, you can add, but at the moment there is no garlic. I'll add in lastly our curry powder. So at this stage, I'll reduce the fire and let it cook slowly for about 10 minutes and I'll be done. And finally, serving time. So that's how our banana flower looks like. It's crunchy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, share, like this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.